This is the Volkswagen Beetle. It is my toy car and we are going to be cleaning it today. So let's get started. In the car wash, first step is to wash the car. Any loose pieces of dirt or anything. Step number 2, so we have to keep doing that once we think it's all good. Okay, I think that's good. All the loose pieces are off. Now we're gonna take the special soap, spread it all around the car to get all the stains off. And subscribe to Hamskit, the full video on how to make the soap, the special soap to clean these cars is on her channel. So make sure to go ahead and subscribe to her. And while saying that, also subscribe to me. And yeah, let's just get on with the video. So I think we're done putting the soap on. Now we've got to wash it off. The most satisfying part of the video. Let's go 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's really satisfying.
Nice.
Flip the car over. Get those perfect pieces. And this is the final piece.
Nice.
Better, doesn't it?
Nice.
Much more cleaner. Way better than before.